Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Eaton's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Eaton has reported record results this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and the highlights from this report?
Thank you. Eaton is a global leader in intelligent power management solutions, serving a wide range of markets, including data centers, aerospace, and industrial sectors. In Q3 2025, Eaton reported record sales and adjusted earnings per share, driven by strong demand in their Electrical Americas and Aerospace segments. The company continues to see significant order acceleration and backlog growth, positioning them well for future growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Eaton reported a net revenue of $7.0 billion for Q3 2025, marking a 10% increase from the same quarter last year. John, what factors contributed to this impressive growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by a 7% increase in organic sales and a 3% boost from acquisitions. Eaton's Electrical Americas segment in particular saw a 15% increase in sales, while the Aerospace segment grew by 14%. These segments have been pivotal in driving Eaton's overall performance this quarter.
And what about profitability?
Eaton achieved record segment margins of 25.0%, which is a 70 basis point improvement over last year. This margin expansion is a testament to their operational efficiencies and strategic pricing initiatives.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 366, and Eaton delivered an adjusted EPS of 307 cents. John, how significant is this beat?
It's quite significant, especially considering the competitive landscape. Beating the forecast, even by a small margin, indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management. Eaton's ability to exceed expectations reflects their robust business model and strategic execution.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this beat reinforces confidence in Eaton's growth trajectory and management's ability to deliver on their commitments. It also suggests that Eaton is well positioned to capitalize on future opportunities, particularly in high-growth areas like digitalization and AI.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Eaton has also reported record operating and free cash flows this quarter. How does this impact their future outlook?
Indeed, Eaton reported an operating cash flow of $1.4 billion and a free cash flow of $1.2 billion, both setting new records. This strong cash flow generation provides Eaton with the financial flexibility to invest in growth initiatives, pursue strategic acquisitions, and return value to shareholders through dividends and buybacks.
And looking ahead, what guidance has Eaton provided for the full year?
For the full year 2025, Eaton expects earnings per share to be between $10.29 and $10.49, with adjusted EPS ranging from $11.97 to $12.17. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued organic growth and margin expansion, supported by strong demand across their key segments.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the strategic insights shared by Eaton's CEO, Paulo Ruiz. What are the key takeaways from his statements?
Paulo Ruiz highlighted the strong demand and order growth in the Electrical Americas and Aerospace segments, with orders up 7% and 11% respectively. He emphasized Eaton's strategy to lead, invest, and execute for growth, focusing on digitalization, AI, and infrastructure spending as key drivers for future opportunities.
How does this strategy align with Eaton's long-term goals?
This strategy is well aligned with Eaton's long-term goals of achieving their 2030 targets. By investing in capacity expansion and leveraging technological advancements, Eaton aims to capitalize on generational growth opportunities and maintain their leadership position in the power management industry.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Eaton has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with record sales and earnings, robust cash flow, and a positive outlook. John, any final thoughts on Eaton's investment prospects?
Eaton's strong financial performance, strategic focus on high-growth areas, and effective execution make it an attractive investment. Their ability to consistently deliver results and adapt to market trends positions them well for sustained growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Eaton's performance in the comments below.